In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google Analytics report. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a website owner looking to glean insightful data, understanding how to navigate Google Analytics is crucial. Let's dive right into it. First things first, ensure you're logged in to your Google Analytics account by visiting analytics.google.com. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of the dashboard. Here, you'll find the Reports section, represented by a graph icon. Clicking on this will open up a world of detailed insights about your website's performance. Now, in the Reports section, you'll encounter a variety of options. You'll start with the Reports snapshot, which offers a quick overview of your data. This snapshot can give you a bird's-eye view of your web traffic, but there's so much more to explore. Below the snapshot, you'll see options like real-time and several report collections categorized under headings such as Lifecycle, User, and Tech. Each of these collections houses specific sets of data that can provide deeper insights. Let's take a closer look at these key reports. First, there's the real-time report. This is particularly exciting as it allows you to monitor live user activity on your site. In this section, you can see the current number of users browsing your site, the top pages they're visiting, and even the events and conversions that are happening in real time. This can be incredibly useful for understanding how a new campaign is performing right out of the gate. Moving on from real-time, you have the Lifecycle collection. Under this, the acquisition report is key. It reveals how users are finding your site, whether through organic search, paid campaigns, or social media links. This information is invaluable for tailoring your marketing strategies. Next, the engagement report shows you what users are doing once they arrive. It covers metrics like page views, specific events, and conversions, as well as highlighting popular landing pages that draw in the most traffic. For those involved in e-commerce or membership sites, the monetization and retention reports within the Lifecycle collection are especially significant. These reports showcase the financial aspects of your site and help you understand user loyalty over time. The User and Tech collections offer a different type of insight. The user reports delve into demographics and interests, helping you better understand the people visiting your site. Meanwhile, the Tech reports provide details on the browsers, operating systems, and screen resolutions your users are utilizing, which can inform design and development decisions. In summary, Google Analytics is a powerful tool with a robust array of reports at your disposal. By effectively navigating through the real-time reports and Lifecycle, User, and Tech collections, you unlock the potential to make informed, data-driven decisions that can significantly enhance your website's performance. So, go ahead, explore these insights, and harness the power of data to drive your success.